Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we are going to be unboxing, styling, reviewing, installing this gorgeous unit from RPGSHOW.
Baby, you special.
Let's stick around and let's get right into this video. Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing, and this hair is from RPGSHOW. We can see how luxe this entire experience is, and I'm going to be taking you guys through it. I want to show you guys exactly what comes in the box. We have the magazine, we have this wig bag right here, we have a stocking cap, we have a thank you card, we have this lace tape, as well as their elastic band. Now this is their 10x6 Maxipart glueless wig cap, and this is what the construction looks like. I'm going to quickly put this on so that we can see what the lace looks like against my skin, and also what the construction of this cap looks like. Look at the fit. This fits perfectly, and it has a wide part. It has a 10x6 part, which basically looks like a frontal. To be honest with you, you can see that it contours on my forehead, it lays flat, there is no lifting, and basically this is giving everything. I'm going to put this on. I want to show you guys what the wig looks like, but this is what the construction of the wig is like, as well as the blend of the colors, the length, the flow, and yeah, I want to show you the construction. We do have detachable combs made from Velcro. We also have detachable elastic bands for that extra security, and the lace is so thin and it lays beautifully on my forehead. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right away. So yeah, this is what the closure looks like. Now don't forget, guys, this is a closure, not a frontal. So I'm gonna just give myself a deep part, because this is a 10x6. I love a deep part, whether it's center or side, but look at how much space we have to work with. Remember, guys, this is a closure, not a frontal. So I'm gonna cut off the excess lace just so I can figure out how I want to lay this wig down. And because it's a closure and it's a glueless closure, you don't have to use any glue, which you guys will be seeing. I'm not going to be using any glue, and look at it, just after cutting off the excess lace, no product, beautiful. So this is what the lace looks like. I'm going to lift it up so you guys can see it is glueless, and it fits and it sits right on my head. But what I want to do is to use a little bit of melting spray. This is not a glue, by the way, but it will help in melting my hair, the frontal, the closure onto my head. Again, guys, this is a closure, not a frontal. So I'm just using a little bit of that product just to help melt that lace so it looks a little bit better, right? We want to get it to the perfection stage. Now I'm using a bit of heat protectant because I'm going to be styling this hair. I want to curl this hair, but I also want to straighten it so that you guys can see what the hair looks like in different styles, right? So I'm using my hot comb, just slicking it down, making sure that the part is, defined basically, and I want all the hairs to go back so that we can style it the way that we want to style it, right? So take your time and do this when you're styling the hair. Remember, guys, these wigs do come pre-styled. However, you are free to style it however you want to style it, right? So I'm just going in with my curling wand, and I'm just giving myself a little bit of that beautiful curls. And I don't want it to be too tight, but I want it to have a bit of volume, because I'm not loving hair with volume. I find there's something very sexy about it like this. Now, this is what this hair looks like. This is what the hair looks like when it is curled. It is flowy, it has bounce. Again, it is not glued down, it is glueless. This is what it looks like. What I want to do next is to straighten this hair, guys. But again, this is what it looks like if you decide to add some volume to it. So I'm using my comb, my hot comb, to just further straighten out this wig. And I will tell you this, I prefer this wig straight like this. There's something about the colors that shows off when it's straight, and there's something about the length and the hair texture that looks so divine and feels so divine straight. It looks more elegant and classy when it's straight, and that's my own opinion. So again, you can style this hair however you want to style it, but this is how I've been rocking this hair, like this. So I went ahead to straighten this hair out, and this is what it is looking like. And if I'm being very honest with you, I think I prefer this hair when it's straight like this, when it's straightened like this, because it just looks a little bit more put together, classy, effortless, and this is what it's looking like. I feel like the highlights pop even more, and this right here with this 16 inches is more or less like my vibe. This is what the hair looks like. We do get a little bit of a peekaboo at the back right here, but this is it. We have like 3 to 4 gradients from brown to blonde, and we can see that from the roots down here down to this chestnut brown over here, and then we see this beautiful blonde in front right here just to frame the face, and I definitely love it. I feel like this shade and tones of browns and blondes and blacks really suits like brown skin, dark skin, and I definitely love it for me. Again, this hair is from RPGSHOW, and it's their Maxipart 10x6 closure. Guys, look at it. This is literally almost like a frontal, but then it is a closure. It is wear and go, so you don't have to glue it down like you had seen. This is a Swiss lace, and this is what the style looks like. I'll leave all the links down in the description box, so in case you're interested, feel free to check it out as well. A Black Friday is coming up, so definitely use the code Friday to get up to $130 off your purchase. And again, this style is in the style Anthony Cuts 071. I'll leave the links down in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. But you can style this hair however you like. You can do it straight, you can do it curly, you can do it wavy, you can do like a cramp. You can literally go crazy with styling this hair. And I love RPGSHOW hair because it's just on a different level. It's really soft, it flows, it doesn't tangle, and it's just lush, to be honest with you. But this is what it looks like. Again, thank you so much RPGSHOW for sending this gorgeous unit, and definitely feel free to check the description box down below if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.